Question 1.20. It asks us to classify whether each of the following is a real or an imaginary number. A is minus 17, clearly a real number. B is 2 plus I. This is an imaginary number. C is root 7. That's real. D is square root of -1, which is imaginary. E is square root of -6, and this is also imaginary. F is 2 divided by 3, that is real. G is pi, which is also real. H is I squared. Don't be tricked by this. I squared is actually -1, which is real. I is A plus BI times A minus BI. So this is nothing but A squared minus ABI plus ABI. This is A squared, ABI, minus ABI plus ABI, minus B squared, I squared from this term. So these two get cancelled. I have A squared minus B squared times -1. I squared is -1. So I basically have A squared plus B squared. So I is most certainly real.